Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn about plane shapes and solid figures under the topic Shapes and Patterns in Class 2. You must have learnt about plane shapes in Class 1. We will quickly revise what are the plane shapes, and in this video, we will get an introduction to about what are all the solid figures. Let us go into the details of this video now. Before that, let us see what we are going to revise in plane shapes. What are these plane shapes? Name it, write down the number of sides and then the number of corners. The first plane shape is called as the square. What are the number of sides in a square? 4. Number of corners in a square is also 4. The next plane shape we have here is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides. And number of corners in a triangle? 3. Next, we have two more plane shapes. What are their names? The first one is a rectangle. And number of sides in a rectangle is 4. And number of corners in a rectangle is also 4. The next plane shape we have here is a circle. Does a circle have sides and corners? No. So number of sides is 0 in a circle and number of corners is also 0 in a circle. To learn more about the plane shapes and do some interesting activities with respect to plane shapes, please do visit my Class 1 plane shapes video. Link to that video is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. Now that we have revised what are the plane shape, let us do some quick color and count activity for the different shapes. So here we have a fish with some plane shapes inside its body. The instruction is circle should be colored in yellow. Square should be colored in red. Rectangles should be colored in green. And triangles should be colored in blue. First locate the circles and color them in yellow. Done. Let us next locate the squares and color them in red. So here we have the squares. Color them in red. Next, locate the rectangles and color them in green. So where are the rectangles? We have 3 rectangles in the tail, and if you watch it closely, the 2 fins of the fish are in the shape of a rectangle. So they also should be colored in green. Next, locate the triangles and color them in blue. So where are the triangles? Let us locate them. So the body of the fish is in the form of a triangle. The tail is shaped in the form of a triangle. The front portion of the body of the fish is also in the form of a triangle. There are few more triangles. Where are they? They are on the fins. So locate them and also color them in blue. The next step is how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. An interesting activity, isn't it? You could frame such several interesting activities to familiarize the children with the concept of plane shapes. The next topic that we are going to see is solid figures. So what are all the solid figures? Sphere, cube, cuboid. How does a sphere look like? It looks like a ball. This is a cube. It looks like a dice. This is a cuboid. It is in the form of a rectangle with a 3D look. Next, The solid figures that we are going to see are cone and cylinder. This is a cone and this is a cylinder. In this video, let us just learn the names of the solid figures and learn how they look like. We will be learning more details about the properties of solid figures in the upcoming videos of class 2. Now that we have learned what are the plane shapes and what are the solid figures, let us do some activity. Name the shape of each object. This is a plane shape and it is a circle. This is a solid figure and it is the sphere. This is a square and this is a cube. This is a rectangle and this is a cuboid. This is a triangle and this is a cone and this is a cylinder. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 2 under the topic shapes and patterns for the children, of which I have covered the first topic, plane shapes and solid figures, in this video. In the next video, we will be seeing the properties of solid figures, which is flat and curved faces. Then we will be dealing with lines, and then we will see the concept of roll or slide, and then we will move on to patterns. And finally, we will be doing shapes and patterns worksheet, which will be a quick revision of all the topics that the children have learned in class 2 under the topic shapes and patterns. Each of these topics will be covered in separate videos. Links to all the related videos will be given in the description box below with clear naming convention for your quick and easy access. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the quality of my video, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that red color button and click on that bell button next to it and choose all notifications to receive regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.